In this video I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube comment. Sometimes you have annoying comments under your videos, and if you would like to delete them, then there are two ways to do this. What you can do is go to YouTube Studio. After that we will scroll a little bit down to settings, and as you can see, the settings are loading up right now. Once the settings are loaded up, then you can go to community moderation, and there you have some options. As you can see, you can add moderators to your channel. For now I will leave it like this, but what you also can do is add some blocked words. So maybe you got some annoying words like scam, annoying, bad video or something like that. And once you have selected these words and added them to this list, then automatically YouTube will filter out these words from the comments, so the comments won't be placed underneath your video. So once you have set it up this, then you can also select block links, so people can't link videos or websites under in your comments. The next step is to go to save them. Once you have done that, then you can go to community, and here you can find comments. So I will click on the X, and as you can see, at this channel I don't have any comments at the moment. But if there is a comment over here, then you can simply delete it by clicking on it. And that is how you delete a YouTube comment.